And you put it down that low, you'd expect me to boot.
Oh, chance here maybe. Gabs Pedersen off the bar, and it's Roque Santa Cruz who opens the scoring for Blackburn. What a reputation he's making for himself. He scored in his first two Blackburn matches, and now he scored against one of their Northwest rivals.
The thing is, Steve, he scuffs his shot, and it's that beats the keeper. He's onside, not an issue there. It's so unlucky. This is a hard skill to execute off the bar, but he's first to react. Falls over, scuffs the shot, but it's that imperfection in the strike that beats the keeper. What do you do if you're Tim Howard? Pick it out the net, I suppose.
Well, there's the other angle. It might even have been Alan Stubbs against Morten Gabs Pedersen, who, I don't know whether Stubbs maybe just got a toe to that, but certainly there's